Una cosa è quello che dice la legge e un'altra è il potere della gente. Non capisco perché la Catalogna non possa essere un paese normale.
Catalonia is not Scotland, and Scotland is not Catalonia. But you can find parallels, things that are universally true, like the right to self-determination.
I think it is right to make your arguments, take them on, and then you let the people decide.
I understand that Catalan people are very angry when somebody says you don't even have the right to choose.
Los catalanes tienen derecho a defender la independencia. Es la libertad que tiene cada pueblo para decidir su futuro.
Katalonci so na pol poti, vendar z odličnimi možnostmi, da dosežejo svoj cilj in dobijo neodvisno in demokratično državo. Na tej poti jim želim vse najboljše.
Cuando los pueblos se ponen de pie y lo piden, lo consiguen.
Η Ευρωπαϊκή Αριστερά σέβεται το δικαίωμα της αυτοδιάθεσης των λαών.
Ein unabhängiges Katalonien wäre Teil der Europäischen Union.
If an overwhelming majority of Catalans wants to be independent, it must be accepted. I believe in self-determination.
All the pending issues between countries and among countries should be resolved through peaceful means and through dialogue, respecting the genuine aspirations of the people concerned.
I am sure that Ireland can help your leaders to ensure a proper, decent and independent country through self-determination.
We believe that right makes might, that bigger nations should not be able to bully smaller ones, that people should be able to choose their own future. These are simple truths, but they must be defended.
If there is a democratic desire for independence, it should be respected, whether it is in Catalonia, or in Scotland, or in Quebec.
Le droit de décider est indéniable dans une démocratie. Nous avons perdu beaucoup de temps dans un débat inutile.
All people have the right to self-determination.
Dejemos que el pueblo catalán decida, solidaricémonos con él y luchemos luego juntos democráticamente.
Kā latvietis es saku, ka es būšu katalonis līdz brīdim, kad Katalonija kļūs brīva un neatkarīga.
Catalonia's independence wouldn't cause Europe any problems.
Jeg ser det altid som noget positivt at lytte til folk, også når man ikke er enig med dem.
Os catalães devem dizer se têm o direito de decidir sobre o seu futuro político.
If certain people have strong feelings of wanting to separate from their country, they should be listened to, because there's no use to force a relationship upon them.
La gente tiene que tener derecho a votar y a decidir. Cuantas más cosas, mejor. Si se prohíbe hacer preguntas es porque se tiene miedo a sus respuestas.
My heart is with you,
as I fiercely support Catalan cultural and political independence.
Democracia y derecho a decidir deben ir juntas. Nadie en España puede estar privado del derecho a decidir.
A mí, me gustaría que Cataluña se proclamara independiente.
In the long term, I think the Spanish government is making a mistake in not doing what the United Kingdom did with Scotland.
La sélection catalane aurait également dû gagner la Coupe du Monde.
I am sorry, but I shall not be able to go to Barcelona at that time. And be sure that I wish the best for the future of your wonderful Catalonia.